How to search fonts in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is launch the Capcut application on your device and select a project where you want to add some text. So here I have already selected a project. Now if I want to add a particular text, so let me just first add the text. So I want a text over here. So let's tap on the text option and simply tap on add text. So if I want to write something over here, so what you can simply do is tap on enter text and the font would be default over here for now. So let's say it's hey guys, what I would want to add as a text, and what you can simply do is tap on the font section over here beside the templates, and here you'll be able to see different fonts over here. So you can see fonts for brand fonts, trending, headings, elegant, bold, handwriting, basic, cartoon, creative. So there are many options over here. You can select whichever is more convenient for you. So I'm going to select on this particular one. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.